Patty Christensen, Hand CRPS lady. Have a new gimbal. Just bought it off of Temu because I figure if they're going to break, I might as well just get a cheap one anyway. But it seems to be working so far. And I just want to show you some garden stuff. So here we are well into October. My pepper plant is so full of peppers. I'm only taking off the ones that'll keep it from breaking. But the mini tomatoes, okay, that whole bowl is completely full, as is this huge bowl with the chocolate ones, but also these little cute little yellow ones as well. So what I did was I freeze dry them, and they're quite crunchy. You'll notice I have it in the temporary bag, and that's because tomatoes have seeds, so I know ahead of time they're going to go soft. They're not for long-term storage. Well, I had double-deckered some of my never-ending cucumber supply with some of these, and they didn't dry. They're kind of gummy, would be the best way to describe that. So I was just going to run it through again, and my husband actually tasted them, and he really likes them kind of gummy like this. We gave some to our next door neighbor, and he also liked them kind of gummy like this. So, you know, accidents turn into good things. Gummy tomatoes, kind of sticky, chewy tomatoes are a big hit here.